In today's energy markets, let's take a look at the 10-year note futures today as they're realizing a nice bounce higher today. We're seeing them rally after 7 days of basically selling pressure for the better part of these last 7 trading sessions. And trending lower, we are seeing a nice bounce higher here today and pushing the 10-year note futures back towards the 134 handle. 133.30 in the futures market right now. And when you look at some of the factors contributing to why I think we're seeing this bounce today, you don't have to look too much further than the data that was released here in the United States this morning, particularly the consumer sentiment data that came out, and it was much lower than expected, actually trending lower in certain areas to some of the lowest levels in several years. So this, and just the month-over-month drop also, I think, caught market participants a little bit off guard, as we are seeing the second factor contribute to why I think we're seeing this rally today, and that would be, I guess, the concerns around the COVID variant and its potential impact on the economic activity, on consumers as far as their sense and feeling of what they may be able to do in the future. And that's having a direct impact and sentiment, and certainly has had an influence today, I think, in the pricing structure in the treasury markets. So when you look at today's price action, we are seeing yields pushing back below the 130 basis point level now, 129.5 on the basis point yield for the 10-year note. And we're seeing the yield curve shifting lower. We're seeing quite a move in the back end of the curve today, and not only the 7s, the 10s, 20s and 30s also dropping quite a bit today in yield, and therefore seeing a big rally in those futures markets, particularly as you move out on the duration curve. And with that, we're seeing the banking sector under pressure today. So again, there's a direct impact in an equity standpoint as to looking at this interest rate move. The Treasury move today is certainly having an impact in certain parts of the equity markets as we close out the week.